Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grab a massive deal and the top coupon code for Hostinger. If you're looking to launch a website or switch your hosting provider, this is certainly an offer you don't want to skip. To claim the discount, simply click the link in the description below or in the pinned top comment. The best part? The promo code is already applied through that link, so there's no need to type anything manually. Once you click it, you'll be sent directly to the official Hostinger website, and your discount will instantly activate. From there, you can pick whichever hosting plan you prefer. For example, if we choose the Cloud Startup plan and head to checkout, you'll notice that the lower price has already been applied. That means you'll instantly save 20% on your order without doing any extra steps. This works across any eligible Hostinger plan. So, whether you're buying shared hosting, cloud hosting, or a different package, you'll still get the savings as long as you use that link. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.